Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. I'll show you everything you need to know about exporting your video in CapCut PC. We'll go through all the export settings, what they mean, how to choose the best ones, and how to sync your video to the CapCut cloud. Let's get started. Once you're done editing, click the export button in the top right corner. This opens up the export window where you can customize all your output settings. Let's break them down one by one. Name. This is the name of your final video. You can put whatever you want here. Export to. Here, you choose where the video will be saved. You can choose any folder on your computer. Resolution. This controls the video quality, size, and detail. It can go from 480p all the way to 4K resolution. Pro tip, match your export resolution to your original footage. Don't upscale low resolution clips to high resolutions. Bitrate controls how much data is used per second. Higher means better quality and a larger file. Lower means smaller size but more compression. If you're unsure, just set it to recommended. Codec. This tells the computer how to compress the video. H.264, which is the most common, is the best balance of quality and compatibility. The HEVC is better compression, smaller size but not supported on all devices. But these are the two I recommend using the most. Format. This is the file type. You can choose between MOV or MP4. I recommend using MP4 for most of your files. Frame rate. This controls the smoothness of your video. Use 24 for a cinematic feel, 30 is the standard for online videos, and use 60 for super smooth videos. Good for gameplay, action, or slow motion. Another pro tip, match your original video's frame rate to avoid choppiness. Sync exported videos to space. This uploads your final video to CapCut's cloud storage, so you can access your exports on another device, re-edit them in CapCut Mobile, or store a backup online. If you're logged in, just check the box and it will automatically be uploaded after the export. Audio. Here you can select if you want to export the audio. You can select between 4 formats: MP3, WAV, AAC, and FLAC. I recommend using MP3 or WAV. Export GIF. If you want to export it as GIF, this is used when you want to export animated memes, short loops, or sharing to Telegram or socials. Keep GIF exports under 10 seconds for smoother playback and smaller file size. If your project has auto captions or manual subtitles, CapCut gives you multiple export options. You can choose burn-in subtitles, which adds captions directly onto the video, export SRT file, which downloads a separate subtitle file, which is great for YouTube uploads, and text-only subtitles, for scripts, transcripts, or translations. Use SRT if you want toggleable subtitles on platforms like YouTube. And the last one we have is check copyright. CapCut is going to check if my video has copyrighted material. When you're done with your settings, press export, and CapCut will start rendering your video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.